Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to tell you that how you can lock your TikTok app on your iPhone. First of all, you have to go to the settings option. After that, you have to go to the screen time option. And then you can see there's this option of use screen time passcode. I will click it. After clicking it, I will set a random password and then I will come back. Now you can see that I have set a password for my screen time. Now I will go to the app limits option. After that, I will add limit. You can see here I have many options. I will search for TikTok over here and now I will click add. After that, I have to set a time limit for my TikTok app and then it will be locked. For this example, I am setting 1 minute. I have to select every day. Now I have selected my time limit and I will click add. And now I will show you that my TikTok app is locked. You can see this icon has turned gray and it requires a passcode if I want to open it. It has already reached the screen time limit. Now if I have to open it, it will ask for a password. So this is an easy process in which you can lock your apps or your TikTok app. And I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.